Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter thinner. To achieve a smoother consistency, begin by adding a small amount of liquid. Warm liquids, like water or milk, tend to blend more easily and prevent clumping. Start with just 1 teaspoon of your chosen liquid, then mix it thoroughly. You can gradually add more until you reach your desired thinness, ensuring a perfectly smooth result every time. When thinning peanut butter, you have several excellent liquid options. Water is a simple, neutral choice that won't alter the flavor, making it versatile for many recipes. For a richer, creamier texture, consider using milk or cream. If you prefer a smoother, more spreadable consistency, a small amount of vegetable or melted coconut oil works wonderfully. Experiment to find your favorite combination. For the best results, consider warming your peanut butter slightly before adding any liquid. This makes it much easier to incorporate. Always add your chosen liquid slowly, 1 teaspoon at a time, mixing well after each addition to prevent over-thinning. For an exceptionally smooth and uniform texture, an immersion blender or a sturdy whisk can make a significant difference in achieving that perfect consistency. Thinned peanut butter is incredibly versatile. Use it to create delicious sauces for stir-fries or as a base for salad dressings. It also makes a fantastic drizzle for pancakes, oatmeal, or your favorite desserts, adding a rich, nutty flavor. For those looking to upgrade their home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. It's a game changer for keeping your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.